Go from beginner to chess tournament winner with this step-by-step guide that includes all the best tactics to master the royal game. If you're looking to sharpen up your chess knowledge, or your children are interested in joining the school chess club, this book teaches the principles of chess strategy with easy-to-follow explanations and illustrations. Do you know your bishops from your knights? Or when castling is the best move? How about the best way to counter the queen's gambit? The rules of chess may seem a little daunting for beginner players. The chessboard graphics illustrate different scenarios so you can visualize different moves and their potential outcomes, and learn the best move to make in any given situation to get to endgame and checkmate. From the history of chess and the aim of the game to essential moves and taking your skills even further in clubs, tournaments, and championships, Chess for Beginners covers it all. Written by international master and renowned chess tutor Michael Basman and updated with 2 all-new sections. Find the link below and buy the book now.